Hello friends, welcome to Daring Marina YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about SCBA checks, that is self-contained breathing apparatus checks. What are the checks that we need to do? So we need to visually inspect the set and check if everything has been contained. After everything has been contained, we have to visually inspect everything, all are good, proper tight and all. All valves to be closed, especially cylinder valve and bypass valve. We have to close the cylinder valve and bypass valve and open cylinder valve. As this is done, then whistle will be heard as a pressure riser in the set. So we have to visually inspect the set and check everything has been contained. We have to close every valve, that is cylinder valve and bypass valve. After that, we have to slightly open the cylinder valve and then we can hear a whistle sound. So pressure rises in the set, that is indication. And check for any audible leaks and rectify. And after this, we can hear some, if there is a leak, we can hear audible leaks and we have to rectify it. Then we have to close the cylinder valve and pressure should not fall to 0 under 30 seconds. Otherwise, the set is not leaked. So like I mentioned, we have opened cylinder valve, so audible sound is coming, and if there is an audible leak, we will rectify and we will close cylinder valve. And after closing, the pressure should not fall to 0 under 30 seconds. Otherwise, the set is not leaked. So we have to ensure that close cylinder valve and pressure should not fall to 0 within 30 seconds. Otherwise, the set is not leaked. And depress the demand valve. We have to depress the demand valve to clear this defect. And then after after we wear the apparatus for comfortable use, put the mask and visor on and inhale to ensure that air is freely flowing to the demand valve. So after we put the mask and apparatus and all for our comfortable use, you have to inhale. So we have to ensure that air is freely flowing from the demand valve. Then close the cylinder valve and breathe. So we have to close the cylinder valve and breathe again. So the air in the mask and the lane shall be used and the mask should be stick to the face. So when we are breathing, the mask should stick to the face. If this is not the case, then there is a leakage in the face mask and it is not advisable to use unless the positive pressure mode. So after closing the cylinder valve, and we will normally breathe. So you will just inhale. Then air in the mask and lane and the face lane should be clear, so that mask should stick to the face. So if this is not the case, then you can understand that there is leakage in the face mask and it is not advisable to use that unless positive pressure mode. That means it should stick to the face. Otherwise, we can understand there is a leakage in it, and it is not advisable to use it unless positive pressure mode. Then we can open the cylinder valve and receive normal breathing through demand valve. So if there is a problem like this, then open cylinder valve, then receive normal breathing through demand valve. Then connect the lifeline and establish signal. Also carry associated equipment like flashlight, walkie-talkie, and if required, an axe. So after this problem is there, we can open the cylinder valve and receive normal breathing through demand valve and connect lifeline and establish signal. So carry out this through using flashlight, walkie-talkie, and if required, an axe. These are the checks that can be done in a self-contained breathing apparatus. Thank you.